Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. I am back again in English 3, meeting 5. In this meeting 5, we are going to talk about computer and computer game, but of course with different material, different topic. And I think it is very challenging because we are going to talk about virus. Okay, as computer security. Okay, before we start the lesson, before we discuss further, I remind you again and again, English is easy. It is only a product of culture. Everybody can speak English if you pay attention on it. And for you as informatics students, I do believe when we talk about technology, your emotional, your experience, your feeling is already turned on. So let's recall your memory, let's recall your experience collecting your memory on virus, the computer security. Okay, Module 3 will cover, as usual, structure, speaking, reading, and writing. And the structure will discuss adjective phrase. Sorry, it is not adjective phrase. It is mistype. Sorry, it is adverb phrase. We have discussed it last meeting. Adjective phrase it is adverb phrase. And the speaking will discuss type of computer virus. And I think all of you are very familiar with it, and hopefully you can discuss the topic more enthusiastically. And the reading and writing about type of computer virus. Okay, just let's start. Let's take a look at the structure. In adverb phrase, there are many examples of the adverb phrase. Here there are 14 kind of it, and you don't have to memorize all the adverb phrase. You just need to understand what adverb phrase is. Here, the 14 adverb phrase, I give you one example for each kind of the adverb phrase. Number 1, adverb phrase of place. We must type our test on computer. Our task on computer is the adverb on computer is adverb phrase of place. Adverb phrase of time. Please install my new laptop in this evening. In this evening, it is the phrase of time. Number 3, adverb phrase of manner. The new students can make a program as if he is an expert. As if he is an expert, it is phrase of manner. And number 4, adverb phrase of degree. The cost of laptop is rather expensive. Rather expensive is the price of adverb phrase of degree. Number 5, adverb phrase of frequency. I always fix my computer twice a year. Twice a year is an adverb phrase of frequency. Adverb phrase of comparison. My laptop is expensive as is expensive as is adverb of phrase comparison. And next, number 7, adverb phrase of focusing. My parents buy a new laptop only for my brother. Only for my brother, it is phrase of focusing. Next, number 8, adverb phrase of modality. It is likely that you can likely that you can make your own program. It is likely that is an adverb of modified modality. Number 9, adverb phrase of movement. All the students run toward the order to attend the seminar. All the students run toward the audition to attend the seminar. It is the adverb phrase of movement. Adverb phrase of purpose. I left work early to fix my broken laptop. To fix my broken laptop is an adverb phrase of purpose. Adverb phrase of reason. My computer is error, hence I cannot finish my task. Hence I cannot finish my task is the adverb phrase of reason. 12. Adverb phrase of duration. The competition about coding will continue until next week. Will continue until next week. It is adverb phrase of duration. Next, number 13, adverb phrase of result or consequence. The student worked hard to the successful completion of the task about programming. To the successful completion of the task about programming, it is the adverb phrase of result or consequence. And the last, adverb phrase of condition. I can finish my task if only my laptop does not break. If only my laptop does not break, it is the adverb phrase of condition. Okay, so as usual, in this exercise gampang banget seperti biasa. Kalian hanya menggarisbawahi adverb phrase dalam setiap kalimat. Jadi challenge yourself, which is the adverb. Kalau misalnya keterangan itu bisa di belakang, bisa depan ya. Kalau depan bisa ditambahkan koma. Misalnya di di kalimat ketiga without thinking, itu bisa jadi adverbnya di depan atau keterangannya di depan. Jadi sangat gampang dikenali dan kalimat-kalimatnya juga semua berhubungan dengan komputer. Kesaran kalian, I do believe you understand the context and you understand the meaning of the sentences. Okay, so challenge yourself to do the text, and if you have any questions, don't be hesitate. Feel free to contact the lecturer. Okay, just let's go to the next. But before we go to the next exercise or the next slide, I remind you again that the key answer on this exercise will be posted on e-learning at the end of the session. Okay. So, parent, practice the conversation with your partner below. This conversation between Tono and Tini, it is Indonesia banget, Indonesia. Orang Indonesia learning English, Tono and Tini. So I want you to practice the conversation with your partner, and if you don't have any partner, you can practice it with your gadget. The answer, Tini, I want you to challenge yourself to give your own answer. Saya menantang kalian untuk memberikan jawaban tersendiri karena ini conversation atau diskusi biasa yang berhubungan dengan komputer, di mana kalian sudah terbiasa melakukannya. I just recommend you to practice your English using your basic knowledge about computer virus. Jadi saya hanya menantang kalian untuk mempraktekkan bahasa Inggrisnya yang untuk mengungkapkan ide-ide, pengalaman, pengetahuan yang berhubungan dengan antivirus. Saya yakin kalian sudah sangat familiar dengan topik tersebut. Jadi to make your English much better, untuk melatih kalian memperlancar bahasanya, ditantang dari kalian untuk memberikan informasi tambahan atau memberikan informasi sendiri. Pastikan paham setiap katanya yang terdapat dalam percakapan tersebut. Make sure you understand every single word of the conversation, and to make progress in learning, make sure you record your learning. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. Okay, in this next exercise, speaking computer virus again, and in your module there are many exercises. Actually, you have to identify what kind of antiviruses that are available on internet. You have to recognize the symbols, so on and so forth. But in this discussion, kalian akan menjawab pertanyaan secara umum tentang computer virus, karena ini jurusan kalian, it is your expertise, akan menjadi keahlian kalian di masa yang akan datang. Setelah menyelesaikan kuliah, pastikan kalian menjawabnya dengan berdasarkan pengetahuan yang luas tentang antivirus. Baik, dan setelah menjawabnya, after answering those questions alone or in group, pair work or a group work, you have to record your answer in your gadget, so you can trace. Kalian bisa meneliti perkembangan kalian dalam belajar. Challenge yourself. Make sure you can speak English, especially because computer, it is your expertise in the future. You have to be able to express your idea in English, because English computers use English. It is not bahasa Indonesia, so make sure you understand. Baik, seperti biasa saya akan menantang kalian untuk menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan ini. Pastikan jawabannya luas, tidak yes no, tidak ya atau yes atau no, tetapi pengalaman dijawab secara luas dan berdasarkan pengetahuan kalian tentang antivirus. Dan setelah menjawabnya, kalian pastikan merekod hasil diskusi atau jawaban kalian. Okay, so enjoy the process of speaking. Bahasa itu gampang, it is easy, it is only product of culture. Dan bahasa lebih gampang lagi dipahami atau dikuasai ketika kalian berbicara dengan keseharian kalian atau minat kalian. Dan saya yakin betul bahwa kalian memilih teknik informatika karena kalian suka komputer. When you like something and you talk about it, it will be easy because it is involve your emotional, akan melibatkan perasaan kalian, emosi kalian, harapan kalian, so and turn it on. Because learning, it is dependent state. When you feel happy, feel excited, you feel like you like doing it, you'll be able to master. Okay? So I will not give you the example because the former meeting 1, 2, 3, 4, I have given you the example. I want to challenge you to do it by yourself. I only give you the instruction. Okay? And if you don't understand yet, if you have any question, don't be hesitate. Feel free to contact the lecturer. Feel free to contact me below. Dalam pertemuan kelima ini kalian akan mengasah keterampilan kalian berbahasa, kemudian membahas tentang komputer virus, kemudian ada readingnya. In reading, please make sure you understand every single word. Remember, I remind you again and always remind you from the beginning until the end, it is your expertise, itu keahlian kalian di bidang komputer. Pastikan kalian menyalakan semua sisi emosional kalian supaya kalian bisa menguasai materi tersebut dengan gampang. When the learning connect to your emotional, you'll feel happy doing it. Readingnya, make sure you understand every single word. You have a target to be a professional programmer. Make sure, or someday you are going to make antivirus. So of course you have to understand every single word that dealing or connect to the antivirus. And reading, okay, connect to English, computer virus of course, and then as well as the writing, listening also. Oh, sorry, in this session there is no listening because the material is long enough, so I cut the listening. There is no listening here. But the writing, challenge yourself to write a composition or express your idea that deal with antivirus. Okay, thank you very much for joining me. Challenge yourself. I do believe you can make it. English is easy. English is very easy, and I do believe you can speak it very well if you challenge yourself. Thank you. See you in the next chapter. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.